Hi and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. Today I'm going to share with you this easy and simple nameplate that I made for my house with popsicles. So arrange this popsicles in vertical positions, and then I will stick other popsicles on the back side to make a rectangular frame. This is how it looks. I'm going to color it. After 2 to 3 coating, I've got this. Now I'm coloring some pista nut shells, which I have collected from a long time. Here also I had to put 2 to 3 coats of color. I'm making this eyes. Now I have this flower puncher and I have cut out some colored papers, flowers, and with just a yellow and a pink I will make one flower. I'll make several like this. And these are my branches I have drawn to make a little bit outline to see how it will go. Now I'll stick this little birds. It represents me, my husband and my son. From a long time I wanted to make this nameplate or something to hang in the entranceway. I'm sticking these flowers. I've arranged the flowers where I want to put it, and now I'm just gluing it up. This is how it looks now. I only have to tie this to hang and write a title. So I've used just white acrylic to paint since. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And yes, please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end.